Welcome, this is Jason from JSM Computer Solutions. Today we're going to go over how to replace an LCD inverter. Basically when your laptop comes up, sometimes some people have a problem with it. They can see the background of the laptop, but it's real dim and you can't really tell what's on the screen. It looks real distant, and usually that's the LCD inverter. We're going to go ahead and change that out. What I got here is an IBM T61, and basically what we're going to need for tools is just your basic screwdriver, one that's got one of the flathead and Phillips head on both sides is usually best. Works out better. Alright. So what we're going to do, especially on this one here, we actually have just some screw covers. On the IBM T61, they just have these little dots. You got to take all those out. And on the IBMs, they're definitely a little difficult to keep intact. So there should be three at the bottom here. And then two small ones at the top. Alright. Now we've got all the screws out. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the laptop here and we're going to go ahead and get up underneath the LCD bezel here and pull it away from it a little bit. Should be some glue underneath it. Once we get by that, we should be able to pop this right off. You pull away from it and then back, it'll come out a lot easier. There's clips in there. And here we go. So that's what the bezel is. And the LCD inverter is going to be right here. So it's got one screw in it. One to come out. Alright, so basically we're going to pull that out. And there's two sides to it, so you got the port that goes to the graphics card there, and the power for the LCD. We have a replacement one, same one. Let's go ahead and put that back. Power on one side. And pop it in. Alright. I firmly believe that before we go ahead and put all the pieces back, let's go ahead and power it on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that ready for you, so hold on one second. Okay, now that we are done with the LCD and I got myself a power cord, let's power it on and see if it works. Works perfectly. Alright, so that's it. So basically what we're going to do is just put it back together, and that's all you got to do. Double check things to think about when you're doing this. Double check the part number of the LCD inverter before you swap it out. If you're buying it online or through eBay or something like that, just double check that you're buying the correct inverter. Other things to think about, make sure you have the battery popped out when you're doing this, and that it's not plugged in while you're doing it. Believe it or not, you can actually get shocked by the LCD. If you have any more questions or anything like that, go ahead and give us a call at 877-569-5510 or send us an email to jmast@jsmcomputersolutions.com or visit us on the web at www.jsmcomputersolutions.com. Thanks.